So this is how it starts. ¿Dónde vamos a ir, Camila? We're gonna go for ice cream. Okay. Ice cream, here we come. It's it's filthy right now, but we've been driving it a lot. I always push the car out of the garage to start it in the driveway so it doesn't fill my house up with carbon monoxide and the wife complains. So I start it once it's out in the driveway. So we're gonna go get some ice cream, letting her warm up a bit. Haven't turned it on in a minute. Let you hear some of that. You know it's ready? I look at this picture and I say, look at the hood pins. You didn't lock the hood pins. Lock them. So we were driving and that happened. Wow.
Yes.
So it happened. The hood flew off. An Amazon driver came earlier, and of course I was showing him the car, and I never put the hood latches back. And it's... Tú grábame. Mira, grábame acá.
Acá, cuidado con el foco.
Flew back. But for now, vamos por ice cream, ¿verdad? Ice cream con las cocos. It's Coco, Coco, and Little Coco. Even after our mishap, we had to come and get ice cream. Do chocolate ice cream. Come for me? So, we're back from ice cream, trying to assess the damage. Got some scraping here and there, and this right here is probably the worst. I guess the hood flex though. I mean, I'm not buying another one. I'm gonna fix this one way or another. I probably won't even paint it or do anything till next summer. So I'll probably get some hood pins or something and try to make this one work. So I'll probably get some hood pins on the top. As you can see, the fiberglass frame ripped right off. I might even be able to just glue it though. Maybe if I get some resin, not sure. I'm sure I'll be calling Copper Cutlass. He actually redid one on his page not too long ago. But they have like a wood reinforcement. But who knows? Maybe I can just glue that fiberglass frame back onto that. And use pins here. Maybe pins back here through. And get rid of the hinges. Might even fit better. But I don't know. I'll have to see. We'll probably be making a video on that or something. But this totally sucks. How am I supposed to cut that out? That's hilarious. So basically what happened was I was kind of trying to organize my garage a little bit today, which I never do. And an Amazon delivery guy came by my house. And of course, he wanted to check the car out. So I was like, oh, come on, look. I'll pop the hood open for you. You can check it out. And sure enough, I closed the hood, but I never latched it. And as my daughter and I were driving to go get ice cream, as we were driving to go get ice cream, as soon as I hit the throttle a little bit, caught some wind, opened it, and blew the hood wide open. The hood came open, and luckily it didn't break my windshield or anything, but it hit the windshield, flew up in the air, and came around back. I don't think it hit anything else. I see you too, baby. I don't think it hit anything else. Luckily, there wasn't any cars behind me. Peekaboo! Mom's at work, so we're enjoying our day together. And it is what it is. We'll make it bigger, better, and fix it. If not, we have the stock hood over there. Then we have that hood up there. But it's not as cool as that hood, so we're gonna fix it.